Welcome to another Edmodo tutorial for Teachers account. In this video, we will learn how to retrieve student password using the teacher account. Commonly, there are students who tend to forget their password, and their common response to this issue is they will create a new password and then log in or join again to your class. The disadvantage of doing so is that in your grading sheet, as a teacher, there will be duplicate names and duplicate users in your Edmodo grade. To avoid this duplicate information and duplicate user, every time that your student forget their password, inform your student to ask you to retrieve their password so you as a teacher can give to them the password, or you can reset their password and give to them their user account as well as their password. So welcome to Remote Learning Styles, and our tutorial flow for this video includes retrieval of student password through teacher account, login using the username and password from your teacher, and change password. First is you are going to click now the class where that student belong, or that student that needs to retrieve the password. In the member tab, look now the student's account and the user account of that student right after the word student contributor, and then click change password in the settings. Type in now the new password, then give the username and the new password to the student. Simple password like 111, then instruct the student to change his or her password. Just a simple password that's easier to recall. Let us try now the password and the new account given by the instructor to test if it could really log in. So the account of the student was given. So this is the student account, and then the password that was given by the teacher. So successfully, the student now log into the environment to his Edmodo environment, and checking now if she has the same classmates, then it's correct. Now this time we will change the password. So since the teacher knows the password, the students now needs to change the password in the settings and in change password, and then input now the current password as well as the new password and confirm your new password. Make it sure that the current password that you strike is the same password given to you by your instructor, because it would also call for an error. So just like this one. So make it sure that you correctly type the password. So that's it. That's how you will change your password under the profile account, and then change password and click the password setting. So that's all for today's video. Do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to be updated with the latest video.